So here at FP Property Restoration, we use KnowHow, not daily, but hourly. The resource and the tool that it has provided to us for our training is nonstop. Training has always been a resource drainer and a time consumer, and with KnowHow and the courses that it provides that we can push to our team out in the field, it's been game changer for us. It's been nonstop educational. The team has been responsive to it, and it's a resource that they can keep going back to and keep researching. So it's not that one-time instruction that you get from a person to person. It's that nonstop information feed. We would not be where we're at without it today. So it's been one of the best acquisitions to our processes that we've had in I don't know how long. So, and we're only scratching the surface with it. We really have. So we look forward to everything that KnowHow's got coming down the pipeline and being a part of it.